Chapter 1.1 Life. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Sages means an aromatic plant whose greyish-green leaves are used for cooking. Oft is short for often. Foretells means to predict. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, or why lament its fall? Gloom means a state of depression or sadness. Transient means temporary. Lament means to express grief or regret. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerfully, enjoy them as they fly. Flit by means move swiftly and lightly. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win or hope a heavy sway? Sway means to move. Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Buoyant means that which can rise upwards. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear. For gloriously, victoriously, can courage quell despair. Manfully means courageously. Trial bear means to bravely accept or deal with something painful. Quell means end or suppress. Despair means pain. This is a poem by Charlotte Bronte.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।